Yeah, what's going on? So today we got a video from Police Insider, and the title of the video is "Woman Stabs Cop in the Face During Arrest." Oh boy, that's crazy. Ugh, this is gonna be one of them ones.
This traffic stop turned into a sudden nightmare for her kids as she decided to fight cops over some expired tags.
I'm gonna have a picture because my stuff got damaged in my last house.
That's missing all the numbers from here over.
Well, that's what I have right now. So I'll go back to the house.
I don't have a lot of good news for you. They want your tag back as well, so I have to take that. Okay.
You have to park the car and call a Uber with the kids.
Yeah, whatever you gotta do.
Try to park somewhere safer and get towed.
Yeah. So give me a second to take the tag off, and then I'll come back up here. I'll get you out of here. Okay.
Yes, sir. I'll take it off. Excuse me.
I got it.
No, pardon me.
Please go have a seat.
It's my car. I'll take it
No,
off.
I did not ask you to get out of the car.
Okay, and
go have
why
a
are you
seat.
putting your hands on me?
I did not ask you to get out. Have a seat.
I can get out of the car if I need to. I'm literally taking
This
it
is
off.
the last time I'm going to ask you. Have a seat.
I'm trying to get some water out of the car. Why are you
Stop. Listen.
Don't you put your hands on me. I'm just trying to get some water. Stop.
Tango 13, I need another one.
Get
Here
off
now.
of me.
1018, please.
You better take your hands off of me. Take your hands off of me. Take your hands off of me. Get off of me. Get your hands off of me. Get your hands off of me. I do not know you. What? Get your hands off of me. I just said something. He's dragging me. He's dragging me. I'm trying to get my way. Let me go. Put my foot down. I'm gonna walk over there. Stop. Can you let me go? Can you let my foot? Let my foot go.
Don't do that. Don't do that.
I'm trying to say I
Don't
cannot.
do that.
I just said I can't go to the hospital because I can't breathe. I'm sorry, I can't I was pregnant a couple of days ago. Can you are an unkind person. I just said I will help you take off the tag off of my car. You're an unkind, racist person.
Ma'am.
I just want
I imported these.
off of me.
He's bleeding.
Can you
She
please?
just puts out of his pocket and stuff.
I did not take that out.
Yes, you did.
I did not. Okay.
Yes, you did.
Excuse me.
Yes, you did.
Although it wasn't captured on the body cam, as per the police report, Danielle slapped the glasses off the officer's face.
Whoa, son face look crazy. Whoa. All this for a license plate? She crashed out, boy. She crashed out. Crashed out, man. Dummy. You definitely going to jail now. Before it was like, okay, well, just go down to the DMV, take care of, what you gotta take care of, and what? Oh yeah, we gonna catch you in a few years. We gonna holler at you yeah. Oh yeah.
Danielle slapped the glasses off the officer's face, leaving him bleeding, then removed his radio and even tried stabbing him with his own pen. She's really on some John Wick shit.
In the gas station parking lot.
He's bleeding. You did that.
Get on the ground now. Get on the ground.
Get on the ground.
Why
On the ground. Dump her.
are you putting me on the ground?
There's kids in the car.
I'm pregnant. Get off of my stomach. Get off of
Behind
my
your back.
stomach.
Hands behind your back. Now.
Please get off of my stomach.
Hey guys, it's okay. Everything's gonna be all right, guys. Okay?
I don't want to put my weight on my stomach.
Okay.
Please.
Give me this one, and then we'll run inside.
The ground is. I'm trying to. Ow! Ow! I'm pregnant. Get off of my stomach.
Sir, is there any weapons in the car? Do you have any weapons on you? Here, I'm just gonna pat you down real quick so you can deal with the kids.
Stop it. Stop it.
You're fine.
You're gonna get it out.
You're fine.
Tighten it up.
Hold up. No, you can breathe. You're fine. The officer had her by the leg. She was hopping. He was telling her to get down. He told her to get down once, but then as I got closer, I could see he appeared to be in distress. He was bleeding from 2 to 3 areas on his face.
Okay.
She looked at me. I looked at her and I was like, what did you do?
Yeah.
Get down.
Tighten it up.
Okay, tighten it, please. Please pick me up. Please, I beg you, please. Okay, please.
And that's gonna poker stick me?
No, I just got paid. I'm a veteran. I'm a retired veteran.
All right, you hang on with the kids so they don't have to listen to see all this, okay?
They're scared.
I know, I get it.
We had an expired tag. We were trying to fix the car. Go pay the tag stuff.
I got you, man. I got you.
And I told her let the officer take the tag. I said let the officer take the tag off.
And all of a sudden she started struggling. She reached for the officer and took the pen out.
Okay. Wow.
Put it to her right hand. My impression was she was going to use it as a weapon and stab him
Okay. Yeah.
in the face or the neck.
Okay.
That's what I thought.
Yeah. Okay.
And I screamed at her, got her attention. I reached over and took it from her.
Awesome. Thank you for doing
And then
that.
that's when all the
Police arrived. Thank you so much for what you did.
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
You're not going to get enough credit for it, but just know you did an awesome thing for us. So, thank you.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Absolutely.
All right.
Hey, well, you getting credit over here, my boy. Good job, man. That girl is a nut job. And yeah, she was definitely going to use it as a weapon for sure. For sure. Good job. Salute to that brother right there, man.
I promise I won't do anything.
Relax.
All right. Take a breath. Ma'am. Take a breath. Take a breath. We're going to sit you up, okay? Can you please help me up? Please.
Come out there,
I promise you I won't move.
She's just Jamaican and crazy. I told her, I said, let the officer take the tag off the car. She said, she want to take it. I said, no, let him take it off. I'm military.
Okay.
Let him take the damn tag off.
Was she driving the car?
Yeah,
I don't know what's going on. So you're the driver? Okay.
No, I said, let's take an Uber.
Come straight up. Do you have anything illegal on you? It's going to cut me, stick me, or poke me? No, ma'am. Hold on. Can I please get my bearing? Hold on.
You're going to get the trailer.
You know what? Excuse me. $2 in that one.
Where are you doing? I need you to
You wearing a bra or is it just way up there?
It's a bra, it's a front.
It's on the front?
Front.
You don't have anything over your bra? Just the underwire?
It's unhooked in the front.
It's unhooked in the front? Okay. Okay, well, you have something up in your bra. I just can't see what it is because it's sticking out. So as soon as we get you in the cruiser, we'll look. What do you have up in your bra? What do you have up in your bra?
I don't, it's part of it's a front attachment, bro.
It's just the front attachment?
Yes.
All that Kung Fu made sure Cop Sensei was going to charge the chi out of her.
Oh, Lord. I told her let the man take the tag off. And I said, baby, let him take the tag off. It's a tag. We're going to pay the fines and get another one.
Right.
She said, I don't want to take it off. She's a girl. Independent girl.
That has nothing to do with it.
I know. I told her don't get out the car. I'm military, sir.
Yes, sir. I can understand that. We appreciate it.
Ma'am, you're leaning away from us.
I'm sorry.
Walk to the car, you're going to turn around, you're going to sit down, and you're going to face me.
You want me to turn this way first?
Turn around, face me.
Okay.
Sit. Thank you.
Okay.
Now, I can see you have something in your bra, so you're going to keep facing me.
Okay.
And I'm going to unload your bra and just see if it's just a front clasp that's undone.
Mm-hmm.
Okay?
Thank you.
It's just a front clasp?
Yes.
Okay, so while you were struggling, it came undone? Is that
There's
true?
nothing in my hair, miss.
Okay, well, we got to check. Go ahead and put your feet in.
Okay.
Put your feet in for me, please.
Hold on.
I will ask you one more time, ma'am. Put your feet in. Thank you. This came out of her back pocket. Who's arrested so I can give this to her? It's just $1.
Just hand it to me right now.
All right, here you go. Got it. And this is, I didn't check her shoes yet.
You okay?
Yeah, I saw them pulling her. They were going to put her in my car here, but then they walked to a different car. This one's mine.
Why is the yellow tape up, officer? I'm military.
They might just be making sure nobody's coming into the parking lot, is my guess. I don't know. But, I mean, you heard her screaming. I didn't hear them call. They'll probably get a rescue truck down here to check her out if anything happened to her. I said I didn't hear. I got here after the fact, kind of. But now it's kind of the point where now it's calmed down, so everybody's gonna figure out what's going on. End of the day,
we just
nobody's
got some
dead or
lunch.
anything.
We just went to the park with the kids.
Right.
I said, baby, go get the tire fixes, go pay the rest of the fines and see how much the tag is.
Right. Yeah, the fines are easy to replace.
What is the charge? Bad deal, obviously.
Oh yeah, I'm sure. Yeah, probably. Well, I don't know if it's aggravated.
I don't know what they're.
I would charge her with.
I don't know what the original.
I would charge her. I would have to entertain neglect or child abuse too. Doing that to the police in front of kids, the same as you're committing a violent crime, a felony with the children present. You know.
Is the AC on?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, good.
I checked it.
I just wanted to make sure because it is hot.
Yeah, it's very hot.
It would be much worse hanging out in there.
So there's going to be an officer that's going to meet us up here. She has more of your property, so we're just going to hang tight for a minute until she meets us here. She's on her way, so maybe five-ish, 10 minutes.
I didn't have any property.
Not like a phone or anything?
That was all in my car.
Okay, well, like I said, she has something that belongs to you, I guess. Okay.
The female was charged with battery on law enforcement officer, aggravated assault on law enforcement officer, strong arm robbery, criminal mischief, resisting arrest with violence, resisting arrest without violence, depriving officer of communication, child abuse, and driving while license suspended. YouTube thinks you'll love.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.